Students, very good evening. Today I am with a question from the topic that is coordinate geometry, and this is the question number 1 of exercise 7.1. So students, the question is that find the distance between the pair of points. These are the 2 points they have given and we have to find the distance between the 2 points. Students, first of all, there is a formula to find the distance between 2 points. Let our solution for this question, let we assume that P be a point somewhere in the our, that is, you can say between x-axis and y-axis. So A comma B is a point P, and suppose that Q is another point, that is minus A and minus B are the coordinates of that point P and Q. For this we have a formula. Suppose A and B are 2 points, A and B are 2 points, and we have to find the value of distance. So we have to find the distance between the point A and point B, that is suppose this is x1 and this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. So here is the formula, that is AB equal to under root what, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So by applying this formula we can solve our question. So you learn this formula, that is x2 minus x1. It means this coordinate minus this first one plus whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We put our values here, that our x2 is what, minus a, and x1 is this. Coordinates of first point are x1, x2, y1, and the coordinates of second point are called x2, y2. So students, for this let me solve the question. We have to find the distance PQ here, distance PQ, and we apply the formula that I told you earlier in this slide. So PQ equal to, this is our x1, this is our y1, this is our x2, and this is our y2. So what was the formula? x2 minus x1. x2 means minus a and minus x2 minus x1 minus a and whole square, x2 minus x1 plus y2. What is y2? Minus b and minus b again, x2 minus y2 minus y1. So our y1 is b and y2 is minus b, and put square here. I will write the formula in short, that is distance AB equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 and x1 are the coordinates of one point A, and x2 x1 and y1. x1 and y1 are the coordinates of point A. So I will write here x1 comma y1, and for B I will write x2 comma y2. These are the coordinates and this is the formula for that. Students, we will do it. See, minus a and this is again minus a. There are the two minus a, minus minus plus, minus 2a whole square, and same minus minus plus minus 2b whole square. Okay, So what it will be? It will be equal to 2 to the 4, and this minus, will you multiply 2 times, you will get plus 4 a square. Here 2 to the 4 b square. So I will take this 4 as common. Take 4 as common. So you will get a square plus b square in bracket. 4 I taken as common. So this 4 I can write it as under root 2 square and a square plus b square. So students, I will carry it here. See, this 2 will come out because this is square root. So 2 equal to 2 and under root a square plus b square. A square plus b square. This is our answer for the question. Find the distance between the pair of 2 points, that is the distance between point A, that is point P and point Q is what? 2 under root a square plus b square. This is our answer. So by the applying this formula, you can find the distance between any 2 points, whatever the question is asking. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe the video.